So the mangoes are already washed. So it's been a week in my fridge, and the skin, look at the skin. They need to be eaten up. Oh, this is great. This still looks good. Cool. So I'm gonna use them, both of them. So let's cut up our avocado. My avocado is not really good. This is the leftover from my guacamole. Okay, still looks good. By the way, guys, it's already washed. I just need a tiny bit of this. I have the baby spinach which is thoroughly washed, so I don't need to wash it. So, and again, it's been like a week in my fridge, and I hope it's still okay. Yeah, I think it's still okay. Marinated feta cheese and with olives. So this one with herbs. So I like to use them. I like to eat them with herbs. Or else you can also use plain feta cheese and olives. Doesn't matter. And since my olives are not really enough with feta cheese, I bought this colored ones. So I wanted to cut them, guys, but I didn't realize that the green and the red are not pitted, so they have seeds inside. So only the light green, and some of them Okay guys, let's start cooking our chicken. So let's pour 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So I think it's hot enough for our spices. Black pepper if you want to. For me, I love lots of peppers. Right guys, so our chicken is cooked. You just need to fry it for 5 minutes or less, maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Don't overcook it, because the chicken, if you overcook, is a little bit if you would prefer no dressing, it's okay as well, because the chicken already has its own flavor. But I'm gonna make a dressing. Okay, so for the dressing we need olive oil. We also need balsamic vinegar. So this vinegar, I bought this from Italian store. We also need honey, Dijon mustard. So Dijon mustard, and a tiny bit of pepper, a tiny bit of salt and pepper to taste. Okay. Right, so guys, that's our chicken, mango, and avo salad with feta cheese and olives. Hope you enjoyed this video.